Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. This is Sahajpreet Kaur and you're watching Legal Bites. In today's video, we'll be looking at the legal maxim Animus Possidendi. In this video, I'll be looking at the meaning and origin of the maxim, the application of the maxim, a few illustrations, and last but not the least, some important case laws to understand the maxim better. So let's get right into the video. So let's start with the meaning and origin of the maxim Animus Possidendi. So Animus Possidendi is a legal term of Latin origin. Now let's understand the meaning of it. Animus and Possidendi. Animus means the intention and Possidendi means to possess, and hence the term Animus Possidendi literally means intention to possess. Animus Possidendi can also be known as Animus Occupendi or de jure possession. So now that we know the literal meaning of the maxim Animus Possidendi, let's understand it from a legal perspective. So let's understand what possession is, because Animus Possidendi means intention to possess. Let's understand the meaning of possession. So possession means to have physical control over a property. In words of Salmond, possession can also be said to be the exclusive right over a property. Now in order to prove the exclusive right over a property, two elements are necessary. One is the intention to possess and second is the physical possession of the property. Intention to possess is what we are studying right now, which is known as Animus Possidendi, and the physical possession is known as de facto possession or possession in fact. In simple words, the mental intention of the possessor to exclude others from interfering with the possessor's right of possession is what is referred to as Animus Possidendi. Now let's move on and discuss the application of the maxim Animus Possidendi. So the basic purpose of the maxim Animus Possidendi is to confirm certain lawful rights to the possessor of the property and to penalize those who interfere with such rights. Some of the characteristics of Animus Possidendi are: first, that it's a mental element. Animus का क्या मतलब पढ़ा था हमने? Intention, and intention is a mental element, right? Secondly, that the intention might not always be pure. It can be ill as well. For example, in case of theft and trespass. Third, it might not always be over one's own property. For example, in cases of tenancy and lease. Now let's take a look at a few illustrations. Illustration number 1. Let's say there's a tenant who has left the apartment substantially furnished and with the intention that he's going to come back and reside over there. With this, he has proved his Animus Possidendi or the intention to possess to come back and reside in that particular property. And the mere physical absence of the tenant will not mean the end of the contract of tenancy. Illustration number 2. Let's take a look at a case where there is absence of Animus Possidendi or the intention to possess. तो आपने देखा होगा, in many cases the servants usually manage and control the properties while the real owner stays far away or something like that. In this case, the servant, even if he manages and controls the property, the real ownership still vests with the owner of the property. And why is that? Because the servant lacks Animus Possidendi or the intention to possess. Next up is the case of N. Majumdar versus the state. It was in this case that the court held that in order to claim right over a property, two elements are essential. One is the intention to possess that property and second is the actual possession of this property. And that actual possession without the intention to possess the property is ineffective. So this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Additionally, there's an article on the same maxim, the link to which can be found in the description box below. Thank you.